So guys, the chicken is all seasoned and I'm just gonna let it marinate for just 10 to 15 minutes and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright guys, so this is one of the sauce that I'll be working with. If you guys have watched my previous video, my homemade pizza, this is actually the same sauce that I'm using. So if you guys have not checked out my homemade pizza video, please go check it out, and I'll also add the link down in the description below. The only additional ingredient that I added was just some mushroom sauce to give it a little bit of dark color. So I'm just gonna add the sauce to the chicken, mix it around. I'm gonna add it in my baking sheet, and I'm gonna just toss it in the toaster oven. Alright guys, so the first 10 minutes has passed. I'm just gonna flip it over to the other side. I'm gonna baste it again with some sauce. I'm also gonna add some onions and bell peppers. The reason for this is I just do not want any raw onions. So once I'm finished with this, I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for just another 20 minutes. Also, I did this off camera. For the last 10 minutes, I actually took it out and basted it again with some sauce and put it back in for the remaining 10 minutes. And then we'll be moving on to our next step, and we'll be making another sauce for our wrap. Alright guys, so all of our ingredients are ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and make our wrap. Alright guys, so once you're finished making your wrap, you can just baste it with some vegetable oil and add it in the toaster oven just for 5 minutes or less, just so the cheese can be melted a bit. Or the other option, you can just put it in a saucepan and flip it a few times so the cheese can be melted. And yes guys, so that's how you made your homemade wrap. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye!